Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today it's a special day because today, yes, it's 22 February 22, 2022. 22, yes, Tuesday, February 20, the 22nd, 2022. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. The 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. Killer Sudoku. Binary puzzle. Number 1 and binary puzzle number 2. 9 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve in the evening. But first I will solve this medium Sudoku. News of today. Yes, news of today. The war has begun. Yes, Putin has started the war in Ukraine. So, not so good news for today because the war has begun. Told you the war is coming soon, and it started on 22. So wait, 2/22, 2022. Yes. Anyway, let me solve this puzzle and no talk anymore. Well, this puzzle will be number 4160. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. In the last column, we have 4 missing numbers. Last column. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 2. We see here 2 in this big square. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Oh, wait. So the missing number here should be the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7, and the 8. Okay. Let me see. How about here? Yeah. No. 4, 4. I cannot fill this yet. Alright, the one in this row. The one in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for the one should be there. Okay. Let me scan. Here. Yeah. 9 and a 2. 4 missing numbers in this row. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. So what are the other numbers in this row for the numbers? 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 457, 457, 457. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this column. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Alright. Then. How about? Let me see. Interesting. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So what are those 3 missing numbers in the middle column? The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in the first row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. The 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. Okay. Wait. 1, 6, 6. I'm scanning. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the third row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row. 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. 3. Yeah. 9. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Could be here, could be there. We see here 9 in this row. So no 9 in that box. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. Now I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. Alright. So we have a 2 in this row. The 2 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. Let me go back to this column. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, and look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2, 7 in this box. The 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 8. Alright. Then. Let me see. 5. Okay. 2. Yes. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Do we have all the 2s? Let me count. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. Okay. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row B3 in the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. Then. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. And 3. Yeah, two missing numbers in this big square. Four numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Okay, two missing numbers in this row. The third row, 4 numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 7, 7. 7. Then 7, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We see here 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. One box left in the first row. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Okay, 3. Then. Six. We have here 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Then 6, 8, 3. Let me think. 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, the 4, and the 6 in this column. 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes, so the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column. Sorry, last row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. So here we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in this row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So row be 3 in the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can not see. Ha ha. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Yes. The last 3. So digit number 4, number 3. Okay. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column, the 6 and 8, I believe. 6 and the 8. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers. I've marked those numbers here. 3, 7, 8. We have a 3 there. So the 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Told you, need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 70 minutes. Yeah. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these boxes. The center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those for 4 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. Who knows? 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5, 9, 3, 1. 9, 3, 1. So here we have 1 pair, I believe. The 3. Yeah. The 3. Yes. Okay. Thank you again. And yeah, we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, for the rest of the puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And see you then. Bye bye for now.